reach. That's why when they call my brother, they answer call.
I bring this our sister come for now, my people, my brother, my sister. Let me break this to come down a little bit. My brother, my sister, I bring this our sister. So now this our sister matter. So now it dey touching and it dey painful. When I watched am last night, how some family they are like that. Some family they are something else. Some family they are something else. Some family just say their daughter he travel out of he travel out, that he travel to abroad. Automatic that their daughter will become slavery to them. Automatic that their daughter will become, how to put am, they'll start to dey use that their sister or their daughter. My people, I would like no na lis ten to this video.
If I the phone finish, it never reach a week. Okay, send me where you don't do reach. He said the phone don't fall for water. That's why Pikete drop the phone for water. Okay, how much for new phone again? He said the phone maybe say costing now 45,000. Okay. I still said the 45,000 naira. Okay, send me where you don't do reach. That's why when they call my brother, they answer call. They pick call. So I can't tell this thing to my girlfriend, my close friend here. So now I can't say, as far as be say your place not far from my village, make her papa go meet my brother. So I can't say her papa. Papa reach there. He say my brother, where you for meet my brother and where they for the drink. Even gather friends for there. So the man called it like, come show me your sister land. Where she for they do something. My brother said, now so I can't take care of another person. Now whether he I can't say come, say make it come they help and they do something, blah blah blah. And I say, okay, fine. I tried to call my brother since that day. Pick. Pick my call. I called my mom. Where my brother? Pick. For like this was November here. November here. Not be the first time we be saying family. Me up. I don't to be here. Like today. I just sit down. I don't feel beer again. I don't feel beer again because it's in there hurts my feelings. Later, my brother not drop him. Okay, fine. Okay. As I be say you don't do, I don't forget the money when be say you chop. Where you do reach. Even foundation. When my brother tell me say foundation is 700,000 naira. I said my brother the money. Okay, you not still do the foundation. Where you say you don't do rich, you don't even do rich there. Common foundation when we say you still license at 700,000 naira, you not fit do one. Okay, give me the paper of the land. He said 100 by 100, now you buy. Okay, give me the papers. Go give my mom the papers. He not still give. He said that's why they owe her money. Like which money me when they feed you? Which money I call they owe you? He call they tell people that one so that make people not to enter the case. But later I can't try to involve the police. So with the police now, I can't try manage, bring paper come outside. Paper where you bring. My brother, he don't quick. I'm saying say half of the land for that one. I still forget. He said half of the land. Give me the remaining haters. I don't say that this one I like, but there's time for everything you get. Even you yourself, you did cry. So my brother, he managed bring the paper. I cry, but I not still to cry. I just still leave on. I just know say even if I want to do something, money not be my problem. I just need person when me say you will back me up. Not just that one. I just been it before. So inside this January, I can't reason now. Make I buy tickets. Make I take go back home. Make I just go visit home. As I be say, I don't try so many times. Make them say do something for me. They don't do anything for me. I don't see anything where we say they do. Make I try. Make I just go visit my parents. You get so see their face. Make I come back. I buy tickets finish. So just today, I can call my sister. I can call my sister. My sister they say, hey, no come, no do this one. And so they say, no come. I don't know say they get reasons. So if you say therefore they say make I not come. So today now, I can call the other of my sister. That one say, they say if I not do something, I not build house finish, say make I not come. I dey try to build house to make sure una dey good place.
My people, I hope una don hear that. This our sister complain. She tried to build house for family. Then family dey frustrate am. Then she comes, okay, as far as say they frustrate am, make she go see family back home. She don buy ticket, make she take go im mother's land. They say make she not come, oh. Make she not come, say they see the vision for them. Now another person tell her, another sister say, no. They say if you never build a house, make you not come. Ah! My people. Abroad. He pay me. It is well, Sha. Yes, it is well. Europe not easy. You know, some people, when they be first person to come abroad, they'll carry family. They know how they say leave their family. You don't know they know how they say leave their home. They know the suffering. They know the suffer. They will reach their abroad. They will try to struggle. Make sure that they break that poverty. Make that poverty break. Like our TB Joshua music, you say, break the chain in my life by the power, not by mine, by the Spirit of the Lord. Breaks chain. Break any chain of poverty in my life, my family. Those people will try their best to break that chain of poverty. But some bad heads go there the family. They try to pull you. Like say, who are you to change this family? This family is tied with poverty. You go say, no. Let me remove this my family for poverty. How can a brother? You don't know what your sister they pass through for abroad. You don't know what your sister they do for abroad. She's trying to remove that crown of poverty out of that family. You will take there. They frustrate her. You see, frustrate her, you don't see make her do anything, or make her feel bad. Okay, she can't try now to go see family. In love family when she live back home. Una still open mouth say without she not build that. No, una give her money, when go. In fact, una send her come abroad, may go there. Pack the money when una live for here, may they pack and give una. Then not go pack the money give una, it can't be the problem. I don't really understand. This kind of brother, if he even enter abroad, he no answer his parents. This kind of brother, this is sister struggle to bring her come this abroad. He no do anything. He go say, I bet everybody face the family. If he tell when we take see, no be problem. But he or she go forget when her sister they struggle to make sure say may brother come. May make sure say this poverty may break the chain. Your sister they abroad, they suffer, they struggle. Now the cream now they see. We can't use cream to rub join the weather. Now our skin will come they blink. They make blinking. Now say that the person they suffer. The person they enjoy. The person not they suffer. Person give you money to buy 100 by 100 because a family don't get house. Una dey rent. How about now? Which kind of family be this? Now una dey rent. That's okay. May una build a house. May una dey stay. Now they frustrate una sister. You mother when you dey there. You father when you dey there. Why you not take over those things? Now quiet. Now house get there abroad now. Now slave. They abroad when they make the money. When they break the money come for now. When they just they do like Father Christmas. It is now all daughters, brothers, son when enter abroad, they get heart to help family. Some people enter. Some people say they will. In fact, now their sister struggle, their brother struggle to bring their come. Make family take progress. They go reach everything. They will say, I beg go. They will face their life. They don't even near anybody. They don't even pronounce family for maths. Now how they want to in fact do their life now the day after. But this your sister enter abroad. You go package money. You say they build the house so that make you and papi, make you and daddy, make una come for rent. Una frustrate the girl life. Okay, no be that one person they pay her now. She want come home. Now they miss una sister. Not be saying a document they hold her. She want come home. Make come feel the mom. Make come see dad. Make come see siblings. As far as una don't see that money, una no even know whether una if they bring money. Una no even know whether una get sister like this. Now money una know whether una get. As far as money they come from Jamie. I bet they there. If you would die, make they bury you for there. God will never let you die, my sister. I feel your pain. I understand. Don't laugh through myself if they laugh. Who said that is good for you? Myself, they say that is good for. Yes, many people they cry, my sister. Many people they pass through. Now you when you talk your come out, now they hear. Who not talk your come out? But you when you try to voice yourself, break. Some family there be something else. Your daughter, mommy, your daughter say wan come see you. You say make she not come. That is, you value house more than your daughter. You sure say na you give birth to her? Daddy, your daughter say wan come see you now. Now say no. Now reach sure say na love this una daughter. I mean, na reach sure say na give birth to this una daughter. And they see some family when they go say their daughter wan give marry. They go say no, you never do this one. Are you for it? Are you guys for it? Just una daughter get opportunity to enter abroad. If you dey Nigeria, no marry. If you dey Nigeria, no face your life. Why some family are something else? If about this abroad just come out, you go they see them, they will become something else. The one when they pay me some siblings when they do like this, if they did this abroad, and the worst part, they don't even think of home. Some siblings when they will day your neck, they will hold your neck like this. If you strong, say okay, make they enter. Once they enter, now then their character, you go they say, when you dey Nigeria, when they sustain, when see, you say, hey, I beg go. But she know say now, so you take do am, maybe still carry her come, carry he come. When her daughter say one come soon, and I say make she not come. Good though, my sister, my advice goes to you. Your happiness first. Thank God you say you get pikin. If Nigeria they sweet you, Nigeria they sweet you to go. You want feel your country. You want feel the vibe of your country. Your parents, your siblings say they don't want to see you. You feel reach Lagos now. Abba, you feel reach Lagos, rent an apartment, live your life there, still buy your ticket, come back. When family say they don't send you, when family say they don't need you, if your mommy say he needs you, she needs you, they fly your mom from the village come Lagos now go feed mother and daughter. They will go flex and they will see from there come abroad. Your happiness first. That your brother when they do it, they say opportunity. If opportunity come, you miss her, you don't miss her. This your sister, she no opportunity to carry on a load like this. She will carry her mother load till the end of her mother's time. She will carry her father load till the end. You not say una wanna be sister brother. E get where una sister will push you na reach, he go leave you now because she still get her life to fix. Ask me again. She still get her life to fix. She not just be like this. She not just remain like this young. And she take the enter code now go dey work. 20 years time she not be like that again. 50 years time she not be like that again. Then your sister gives you money, may you take do something. You scatter am. You now say they tell her make she not come. My sister, if you dey close to me, I go hug you, kiss you, tell you say your happiness first. If you try to do back home, they frustrate you. The one where you feel do, leave it. If person laugh, you say, hey, you don't do anything. Let them say na person name. So far, you know say you don't try. You leave the rest for God. May we when we did this abroad, no, they disturb ourselves. Mostly, they see agent now, agent dey. But what I will advise you, if you really say you want to do something, they gather your money. If you don't get your money don't big, then they buy house. When your family don't they frustrate you, maybe you still love to remove your mother and your father for rent, then they buy house. And for me, if you don't say you don't still buy the house, focus on your life. God already knows you try. Then your brother, if you buy the house tomorrow, this kind of brother, I know still let you see road. He go they pursue you. He go say na family house. I beg. May we leave matter for matter, oh. May we leave matter for matter. My sister, nobody will laugh you. Who talk you come and who not talk you come and make I tell you. My people, I not play the full record. I feel say me I drop the full record. The video go too long. Okay? If you wear this my sister shoe, your happiness first. If you are not happy, nobody will feel give you that your happiness. Please embrace yourself. Embrace yourself with peace, happiness, joy. Okay? Gather your money. Not the same money. If you want send money, tell them say money when they want to eat. No trust anybody for outside though. Outside and at the works fast. I don't see a lot. When they go say they build house, wait for me. At the end, they go chop the money. No level. Okay? For me, I'll tell you, say gather your money. If you want to one, say you want to involve anybody, at least you carry agent, then look for lawyer. Then make the agent sign contracts. May give you the bill. All those things go good though. But say, may I not to talk, my people. May I leave una. May una see wetin papa, mama, papa, brother, sister. Do this our sister. Family. Una sister when you enter abroad, suffer there oh, they pass through. May una come for poverty, una one day for poverty. May una dead there. My sister, face your life. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.